Hello everyone, it's John here from Winning Solutions Inc. and today I will be bringing you all another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you where to find the template database on a website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate into an existing database that you're already using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off one of our templates and don't know how, or don't have the time to do so, let us know and we'd be happy to help you getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there are 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. The compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you will not be able to make any modifications to the forms, reports, modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who don't see any need to make any customizations to the template. The internal use is a version that allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within the organization. The unlimited developer use allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop. And it also allows you to distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, and that means you can't update or customize the database. In our video today, we will be working with a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view or try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase the database template or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. And our sales are final because we give you the source code when you purchase a template, and once we give you that source code, there's really no way you can return it. If you would like to test our demos for multiple days, you're free to do so. You just have to leave the database open so the data you entered will not be wiped. Our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data entered is wiped from the database. And you have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you enter. Upon downloading a demo, you have to unzip the downloaded file. And zipped files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web, so that's why we do that. Unzipping a file is very simple though. All you have to do is extract the file so you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how to do it or don't understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video is in the description of this video, actually. So now let us get into downloading and testing one of our own demos. Alright, we're going to start off by going to our website, microsoftaccessexpert.com. On the top of the website there is a toolbar right up here, and this is all the various ways to contact Winning Solutions Inc. And if you go over to the sidebar on the left and go under Database Templates for Sale, and then click on Database Templates List. Alright, this is a view of all of our templates that we offer. And as you can see, it's broken up into categories. First one is most popular, second is appointment and scheduling, calendars, and so on, all the way down to database tools and miscellaneous templates. Today I will be showing you the Access Golf Instructor Lesson Tracking Database template. What you'll need to do is download the demonstration that correctly corresponds to the version of Access your computer has. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Next, you will need to extract that file since it is in a zipped folder. So just go ahead and extract all. And now you'll be able to open the database without any issues. Alright, and this is just a security notice that pops up, just alerting you that this database is coming from the web and it can be potentially harmful to your computer, but I can assure you that this database is safe. So just go ahead and click open. Alright, so this is the Golf Instructor Lesson Tracking Database. It's great for keeping track of all of your appointments and all of your clientele in one spot. To start, we'll do Add New Client. Okay, and this is the client form. This is where you can fill out all of the general information. You can also do notes, call history, appointment history, and payment history. Alright, I'm just going to fill out a first and last name and an email and an address line. So John Smith is going to be our golfer. Let's see. Email test@test.com, and then we'll make up an address line. Alright, and you can even put a picture of the client if you want to. But that's all I'm going to do for now, and I'll just hit save and close. And now that the client is in the database, we can now search for him. Alright, so here's all the criteria that you can search by. I'm just going to search by his last name, which was Smith, and then click search. And here's the database here's the client that we just created, John Smith. And from here you can double click on it, and that will bring you back to the client form where you can edit or delete any information that you want to. And you can also export the search results to Excel. So it pulls all that information into a new workbook for you. So there you go. Alright, and next thing we're going to do is add an appointment or a lesson. And to do that, go to calendar view. And so today is June 15th, 2016. And let's say we want to do a lesson at noon on that day. Okay, so here's the appointment form. We can fill out all of their information. Instructor 1, just for right now. You can change any of this information that you want to. I'll show you how to do that later on. And type, let's just do individual for $50. And location 1. Again, we can change all that information. Appointment details, fill out whatever you want. And workers, you can add more workers if you need to, and payment information as well. And you can also change the start time and end time for the lesson. And you can also make it recurring. So that's quite convenient at this point, or for lessons. Okay, so before I save and close, I'm going to hit a select custom color. And this is for when you get a lot of appointments back to back. It's easier to distinguish if each appointment has a corresponding color to it. As long as they're different colors, you'll be able to tell when one appointment ends and another one begins. And it makes it look a little neater. So this is the daily view of the calendar. We can also look at weekly view and bi-weekly and month and month day. Alright, so and if you only want to see appointments for Instructor 1, let's say, we can just do this and Instructor 1. And if we do Instructor 2, that appointment should disappear because we haven't created any. So that's good. And since that appointment is in the database, we can now search for it. You can search by any of these criteria up here. Let's just search for all of the appointments for Instructor 1. And then hit run search. Okay, and from here you can double click this appointment and it will bring you back to the calendar view, or you can view an appointment form and then double click it and it will bring up the appointment form, and you can change any information or delete the appointment if you want to. You can also export the search results to Excel again, alloc calendar or alloc task. You can also do a print detailed version. That's what this looks like. Or you can do a print summary version. So there you go. Alright, that's pretty much all there is to the search function. Alright, so next thing we'll take a look at is the maintenance lookups, and this is where you can change all that drop down information that we saw in the appointment form, and there were some in the client form as well. But for now, let's just change location, because that one was in the appointment form. Let's change location 3 to, let's just write golf course. And then we can also add a location. Let's do driving range. Of course, you would do lessons on the driving range and whatever. Doesn't matter, you can make it whatever you want. And then just hit close. And you don't have to worry about saving it, it saves automatically. So just to make sure that it did work, let's go and make another appointment and look at location. So great, location 3 changed to golf course, and then we added driving range. And it looks a little out of order. That's just because it automatically made it alphabetical order. So, and then calendar setup. Let's check out what this does. Here's where you can change all the parameters of the calendar, such as like first day of the week. Change that to whatever day you want, and start time and end time. Yeah, things like that. And then calendar colors. You can change any of these that you want to. Just click on the color palette, and there you go. If you don't like this blue, you can change it to whatever you want. And then reports. We have to create a start date and an end date. And let's make this a 2-week period. So the 8th until the 22nd. And I know that appointment that we created was on the 15th, so it is within that time parameter. You can print invoices for this period, or accounts receivable, or a cash ledger. I'll just do print invoices since they're all the same pretty much, or same concept. And so here's the invoice for that appointment. It just shows the invoice amount, $50, notes, and a few other things. Alright, so there you go. That's pretty much all there is to this database. I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming needed, you want to buy a template, or need help customizing a template. Contact us whenever you like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those, and have a great day.